Recently, one of my subscribers commented that their account is not getting approved on PeoplePerHour even after multiple tries. So if you are also stuck at the application stage, make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss helpful tutorial like this one. The PeoplePerHour application process is very strict and your profile must meet certain quality standard to get approved. To help you understand better, let's create a demo account. Click on I want to work as a freelancer. Let me put my name, last name, email and password, and let's go ahead. Alright, so here you might get this notification saying sorry, we are closed. To resolve this, you simply need a VPN installed on your computer. In my case, I have fastest VPN. Let me pick a location, connect to it, and let's try it out. As soon as I reload, you can see the pop-up is gone. Now you can simply verify your email address. After email verification, now it's time to complete the application form. This is the most important part. So let's start with the profile picture. Now you need a clear, real photo of yourself. Avoid using cartoon, logo, AI faces or fake pictures. A professional and genuine image helps build trust and is required for approval. The next part is job title. Choose a job title that clearly describes what you do. Avoid being too generic. For example, instead of just writing freelancer, you can write SEO content writer or WordPress developer or any skills that you are experienced in. Next section is about you. Now this is one of the most common reason application get rejected. Remember to talk about what you do, your experience, what makes you stand out, your passion and specialization. Avoid one-liner or weak bios. To get an idea that how you can write it by yourself, you may check other freelancers' profile. Next is location. Since we are using VPN, so let's leave this as it is. After getting approved, we will simply change it later. But remember, you have to change your location if you need a verified profile. But for now, just leave it as it is. The next section is languages. Mention your primary language and any other language you speak. This helps buyer know how well you communicate. Then submit your application. You will now have two options, the normal review and fast track. Normal review basically takes 1 or 2 days, so there is no need to pay for fast track. Once you submit your application, you will get a confirmation email. The moderation team will then review your application and notify you of the result. Now here are some common reasons why application get rejected. If your profile was not approved, it might be because one of the following reason. Poor English. Your profile must be written in clear and correct English. Grammar and spelling mistakes can lead to rejection. A skills mismatch. Your profile must match what you wrote in the About Us section. Weak bio. A short or generic About You section with bad grammar or missing information is a common rejection reason. Sharing contact information. Never include your email, phone numbers or links to other websites in your profile. This will result in rejection. Spam or promotional content. Avoid any kind of affiliate links or promotion language in your profile. Promoting other freelance platform. Never mention Fiverr, Upwork or any other marketplaces on your PeoplePerHour profile until you get approved. If you follow all these steps carefully, your chances of getting approved on PeoplePerHour will be much higher. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment your question and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.